Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Back at it, guys, on another adventure. It's been a couple months. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. We're walking this nature trail here in Edwardsville, Illinois. It's raining, but we had to come out. Check it out. I am definitely freezing my butt off walking in the rain, but it's pretty cool. We got to check this out. We saw a TikTok video of this, and we just had to come out in person to see it. And got the background over here. So far I've been on a weight loss journey. I am down 20 pounds. And we're gonna get ready to walk this little bridge thing they have on this path. It's supposed to be pretty cool. And look what we just found. Now you guys like the point of view videos. We just found a lookout tower. Right in the middle of walking. Got some graffiti. We got some more people in the background walking in the rain. Wow. Look at the overall view. It's so cool. Got my friend Chris here. Went on the hike with me. Say hey.
Hi.
And then we got an overall perspective of the nature trail walk behind me. And then right here in the background you can see the paved wood path that we're getting ready to walk on. So look forward to that. It's going to be pretty cool. Always so awkward when I talk in my YouTube videos because I'm new to it, but I said paved wood path. I meant it's a wood walkway. I don't know why, but I get so awkward because I'm not used to talking on camera, so I feel like the more I talk, the better I'll be. And I'm trying to be more talkative, and this is a new phone I got, so I do most of my recording on my cell phone, so hopefully you guys like the new audio. And it is a paved pathway. I thought it was wood, but apparently it's not.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Wow, dude. Look at this. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? I'm gonna throw back on my hood because it's raining, but this place is dope. You guys definitely have to check it out. If it wasn't for the TikTok video, we would have not seen this beautiful place. Super cool. Again, it's raining, but this place is so cool. The pro video is super cool. Got the little island behind us. Yeah, and I thought it was wood, but this is straight up all concrete. Like, dump, dump, dump. And they got the visitor center. It's right back there in the corner that you guys seen. Yeah, this is just really cool. Really cool. Oh, there's a fish. Dude, did you see the fish? This place is pretty cool. What you think? Do you like it?
Gorgeous.
Yeah, man, this place is dope. Super cool. Definitely a must check out. Besides the rain kind of sucks, but other than that, I mean, definitely a good little walk. Cool place. Nice paved path. Beautiful. Back to the car now. Hey guys, thanks for checking out another video. Be sure to smash the thumbs up, subscribe, and check out another video next week. Peace.